Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has classified the Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the ETF has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 38.75% since we initially advised purchasing Ishares Bitcoin Trust 25 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.55% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the ETF's next movement, as it could potentially take either direction. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significant upward trend in the short term, with indications of an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, there will be support at the level of $44.51, which may provide a second opportunity to capitalize on this upward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 41.36% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 6.41% to 20.71%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 22.04% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 21.56% and 14.89%. This translates to a price range of $40.89 to $59.89 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Ishares Bitcoin Trust as ETF Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price gained 4.83% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, rising from $49.73 to $52.13. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.50%, moving from a day low of $49.93 to a day high of $52.17. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 32.41% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 13 million shares, with a total of 46 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.39 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $53.26, while the lowest price reached $22.02. Currently, the price is 2.11%, or $1.13, below the 52-week high of $53.26, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin has recently surged past the $90,000 mark, driven by optimism surrounding the recent U.S. presidential election and expectations of pro-crypto policies under Donald Trump's administration. This sharp rise in Bitcoin prices has sparked a broader rally in cryptocurrencies, suggesting a growing investor confidence in this high-risk asset class. The excitement is reflected in record inflows into exchange-traded funds, including those related to cryptocurrencies. Moreover, big banks have reported substantial gains from Bitcoin despite their inability to hold it directly. This phenomenon underscores the increasing institutional interest and sentiment around digital currencies post-election, which can further stabilize prices in the long term. In the short term, the current euphoria could amplify future volatility, especially as traders speculate on potential regulatory changes. The so-called BTC Trump trade is emblematic of a collective investor narrative driving prices and could attract more speculative money into the market. As Bitcoin's momentum continues, it could significantly influence correlated stocks like IBIT, particularly as the ETF landscape matures and investor sentiment solidifies. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support will be found at levels of $48.69 and $39.94. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, and to date, it has appreciated by over 53%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal recorded 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal identified 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal issued 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 43 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal also from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find additional signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $51.04. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the course of the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.25 between its high and low, which accounts for 4.5%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 5.46%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the ETF could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal moment to exit. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $51.04. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $50.61, reflecting a decrease of 2.92%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 26 days ago. Is Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Ishares Bitcoin Trust holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, meaning you might hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we expect Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open down approximately 72 cents and start trading at $51.41. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before you engage in buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.